What's better than a freshly baked muffin?
Muffin made two delicious ways, of course, with Betty Crocker. You'll feel like a pro baker.
First up, a twist, a blueberry scone.
Let's turn the Betty Crocker blueberry muffin mix into elegant scones. Add cold butter, a little extra flour, and a hint of orange zest for that fancy twist. Shape them up, bake them until golden brown. These scones are worthy of high tea at Buckingham Palace.
High tea, anyone? Now for the banana nut muffins.
Bake as per the instruction on the package, but what you're gonna do is top it off with some mashed bananas and pecans folded in. So soft and sweet and totally irresistible. I love how versatile Betty Crocker muffin mixes are. You can switch things up depending on your cravings, and they always come out perfect. Want these recipes?
Comment recipe please, and we'll send you the full recipe booklet.
Try Betty Crocker muffin mix today, and don't forget to tag with Cinco in your baking adventures.
Betty Crocker goes beyond cakes.